In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your makeup
step by step as a beginner.
So let's get started. Firstly, we'll start off with the brows and we'll go in with the Essence Extreme Hold Brow Lifting Gel. This really helps to freeze the brow hair and makes your brows to last longer. I'm going in with Rimmel London Mattifying Primer. I'll go ahead to apply my primer and I spread it out with a brush. Foundation, and these are the brands I love. Spread it out with a brush like this before I go ahead to blend. I'm gonna use this brush to blend. I like using the brush to blend in my foundation as it gives me a fuller coverage than a beauty blender. But if you must use a beauty blender, make sure it's damp. So I'm using Essence Day All Day Foundation mixed with a little bit of L'Oreal Paris True to Match Foundation. I'm going in with the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. This concealer is so underrated. The coverage that it gives. Sometimes I wonder. Then here I'll go in with the bronzer and this way into the hairline. Yeah, that's to help match the face with the hairline. Blend the contour line here and this side too. Blend the one under the chin. Some people use this step to reduce that double chin. Time to blend our highlighted areas. Just blend it with a little pressure. Forehead, bridge of the nose. On the eyes, you start from here. You blend it gradually. Very little pressure. Just go up gently. I always like to go back with my foundation brush and eliminate any harsh lines. Using this Essence Baby Got Bronze Lips and Cheeks. My blush. Just go in with this blush brush and just dot that in. Look at how it blends. I'm gonna set my face now using Yardley Translucent Loose Setting Powder. It's just on the highlighted areas. Yeah, and here as well. Some powder, and this one I'm using Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me, to contour the nose. Just one shade darker. Don't want the nose looking dark. The Smooch setting powder to set the rest of my face with. A bit of powder blush. I'll use Catrice Glow Mineral Highlighting Powder to just pop on this area. And also here. Apply on these 2 points. Using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer, I'm going to prep my eyelids and apply a little bit of eyeshadow. Blend that in with my small brush. I'm going to take this dark brown shade. Apply some dark brown eyeshadow here. Wink it out a little bit inward. A more fluffy brush to just blend in the edges. I'm gonna take this shade here and apply on the inner corners. Now let's just even it out once more. L'Oreal Paris Infallible 3-in-1 Setting Mist. I'll line my lips using this Plumping Lip Liner from Catrice Cosmetics in the shade Chocolate Lover. A little bit of lip gloss from City Girl.
And this is the final look.